I think Vantage does a really great job of giving the interns lots of opportunities in comparison to other companies. Like, I really got to work on real projects and make real progress and produce good work. I was surprised by how much opportunity and freedom they gave the interns, which I think is great.
I think that Vantage is unique in that it's not a huge company, but it's also not tiny. So to know your coworkers really well, like you might at a smaller company, but you also get to work on like fairly high level projects and things that a really tiny company might not be capable of.
I had the opportunity to kind of control my own projects and see something from the start to the finish. It's really cool to kind of have people trust you and say like, oh, hey, we just got a request come in. I know that you've done this test before. Can you go do this? And then I can go in the lab and I can do a titration and they will trust my results and not baby me. Having the people here specifically who are so welcoming and make you feel comfortable doing the work that you do is super important.
I feel like it matched perfectly to what I expected, and it's really like everything I could have ever wanted in terms of an internship. Because working at Vantage, I am able to get the experience of actually, what it's like to work in the chemical industry and see what the chemical industry is like. So this has helped me a lot.
I've enjoyed working closely with my bosses and my colleagues. They're very reliable sources of information, and they've been very helpful to me in this entire internship process. When I first started, I didn't really know much about the business. I didn't know much about the company, but whenever I had a question, I was able to go to them, and they were able to answer it for me and help me in whatever way I needed.